Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I am the Counsellor of Benz School in Karlsruhe, Germany. This elite school runs an international bachelor's program in mechanical engineering which is taught in English. This school admits students from India having completed their education up to class 12. In this video I am going to tell you about this elite school and its study program. Before I go further, let me say something about the German engineering, which is well known for its high-end manufactured goods in mechanical and automotive industries. And mechanical engineers from Germany are in high demand world over as a result of successful and systematic education in engineering sciences in Germany for more than 250 years. KIT is part of this history, and the Benz School about which we are now talking was established about 2 decades ago. The main aim of this school is to attract talent from all over the world, and that is why the program it runs is offered in English. It strives to offer the best education and training in mechanical engineering in close cooperation with industry with a focus on technological innovations. Let me also briefly talk about the heritage of this school, which derives its name from Karl Benz, who is known to be the first inventor of automobiles. He secured a patent for his internal combustion engine in 1886 and then rolled out his first 3-wheeled automobile that went out for a test ride by his wife Bertha. Karl Benz graduated in 1864 from the then Karlsruhe Polytechnic College, now known as KIT. Let us now talk about this 3-year international BSc program, which is today ranked number 1 in Germany. This program keeps evolving with an eye on the future of engineering. It essentially deals with the general field of mechanical engineering and provides you to specialize in various fields such as global production management, automotive engineering, energy management, and rail system technology. The school also has a strong industry network and arranges hands-on training on shop floor for every student admitted to the program. The school also provides necessary guidance for further studies and career. Another important feature of this school is that it also provides on-campus housing for students who are admitted into the program. It may be noted that CBS environment is quite diverse and has students from over 30 to 40 different countries in a small class of 50 to 60 students. If you decide to stay in the campus accommodation, you will have your classrooms, computer room, your hostel accommodation, kitchen, recreation room, etc. all under one roof. Okay, this slide explains to you the structure of your entire study program. You would enter into the program in early August in a brief 8-week session known as pre-semester, shown in the picture at the bottom. After clearing the pre-semester exam at the end of September, you would formally be enrolled into the first semester, October onwards. After completing intermediate studies in the next 4 semesters, you would enter into the 5th semester in the 3rd year for your chosen specialization as offered by the school. Alongside, you would also be doing industry internship as assigned, and at the end submit a thesis to finally qualify for the award of the degree. Well, this slide shows you in some detail what all you would study in successive years, covering fundamental courses in the first 4 semesters and the advanced courses in the semesters 5 and 6. In addition, you would learn a number of soft skills besides language courses. While I would skip mentioning all these here, but you may gather these details from this slide by bringing this video to a pause. Okay, let us now discuss your entry requirements. As already stated, you are expected to have passed class 12 here in India with excellent overall grades, and especially in mathematics and physics. In addition, you are also required to clear the SAT general test with a minimum score of 1200 and the English language proficiency test such as TOEFL or IELTS as the score shown here. You could, however, be exempt from TOEFL or IELTS if you could provide an evidence of the fact that your school education has been in English medium for the last 5 years. Besides the above, you are also required to submit a letter of motivation, which is also called SOP, the Statement of Purpose. An outline and the salient points that need to be mentioned in your letter of motivation are mentioned in this slide. If you are not quite sure how to draft a winning letter of motivation, you may freely consult me and get guided. Well, coming to the fee and the associated costs for your study in CBS, this slide gives you a ballpark figure with an approximate breakup. At the current exchange rates, one can see that the overall yearly expense is about Rs 25 lakhs in Indian rupees. Let me recap some important points for you before concluding my talk. Number 1. Indian students are essentially admitted into pre-semester beginning in August. On successful completion, they start the bachelor's program from October onwards. Number 2. The Indian students also need visa before joining. It usually takes about 6 weeks to get the visa after lodging your visa application. Thus, it is advisable to apply for visa as soon as the selection offer is received. Number 3. The applications may be lodged as early as December for admission into pre-semester beginning August in the following year. It is advisable to apply as early as possible even before you have your class 12 results in hand. Finally, let me assure you a wholehearted support from my end. If you are brilliant in your studies and are ambitious to make an entry into this top-notch school, provided your family can afford the cost of your education in CBS, you are welcome to get in touch with me for necessary guidance and counseling. There is no fee for my consultation. Please pay special attention to the deadline for lodging your application and the quality of your CV and SOP. Thank you for watching this video.